Hi guys, to further improve the user experience of Mr.Dimmer, we installed several small LEDs which indicates status of your device. All LEDs are located on the front panel. They visually represent certain functions of Mr.Dimmer. These two LEDs indicate if the device is plugged into electricity and if it receives DMX signal. Green light, the device is on and running. Flashing orange LED, Mr.Dimmer receives DMX signal. 3 LEDs under each of 4 LED outputs indicates that the signal is going through Mr.Dimmer and shows the color strips is supposed to shine in. Mr.Dimmer is a perfect device for professionals that want to create complex and advanced installations. For more video, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and newsletter.